Now what we've done is we've modified the coil, taken all those little bits that are there, and we've got like a no clicking noise now, but it's only a 3/4 coil that's sitting in there. So this is, you know, good and bad. Good that, you know, we've got no clicking noises and no rubbish that's sitting in the antenna. Bad that we've only got 3/4 of the coil on there. And of course, you know, this is not what we want. The reason I'm taking this coil out is we have a bottle of acetone here, and we will be cleaning this coil and giving it a big rub, as we did with the ring of these little fellas here. Right, that's going to be getting very close to out fairly soon. Like to catch it before it does get quite there. That should be close. Normally you can hear it. Yep, beautiful. Okay, so the next job, we're just going to acetone and clean this coil. We're then going to put it back together, throw it onto the back of that fella there, and as silly as it sounds, if I can set it up for 40 meters and just basically leave it in one position so that it doesn't have to move for tomorrow's trip, then yeah, no reason I can see that it's going to have a problem. If it doesn't tune, it'll be because it needs every one of those circular pieces on it, and so we'll be doing a very low power test first just to sort of see how that goes. What we did is we very carefully, as you'll see, picked a good spot and basically, other side, sorry, and we ground off the side of each of the bits, and these were all the mangled bits that unfortunately had already been stuck in there. But this is the reason the SWR has been so intermittent on it. I can quite honestly say that we're free to put all this section here back together again. There'll be no problem there. That's not an issue. So we're good there. The problem is definitely up here. But anyway, we'll give this a bit of a clean with some acetone and put it all back together, and we'll see how we go. This is part 3 video really. I just did a quick one, but I thought I'll just do an update now just to show you that sometimes there are ways to possibly, and I do say possibly, get away with a quick fix when you're in, you know, trouble, and then obviously go and replace with the appropriate parts as soon as possible. I don't recognise these clips, so I was hoping that they might be something available here in Australia. Ron may be able to help me out with that, I'm not sure, but I also know that he's pretty quick to post something out to me if there's an issue, so that's one of the great things about it. By the way, if you don't own one of these, you should. Over in Australia here, we're a big believer in Sidchrome toolkits. This is my little just work around, you know, carry around to the back of the car and do bits and pieces. But you know, all your little pieces are there, all ratchet, etc. Sidchrome quality, so you don't have to sit there and think, oh, you know, is it going to work? The tool guaranteed for life too, those tools. So how's that actually? We're working on an antenna that's guaranteed for life with tools that are guaranteed for life. Geez, I wish this bloody full drive was guaranteed for life. That'd be okay. 73 CK3 Charlie Mike.